Every morning, Japanese centenarians drink this before anything else. Not green tea, not coffee, something most of us ignore, and it helps rebuild the gut lining. Naturally, I stumbled on this while researching longevity habits in Okinawa. You know, where people live past 100 without pills, powders, or weird diets. Turns out, there's a simple morning ritual that supports the gut, digestion, and even mood. It's not fancy, it's not expensive. And I started doing it before breakfast every day. Here's what blew my mind. Millions of people suffer from leaky gut, bloating, fatigue, and brain fog, but they never trace it back to their gut lining. This one Japanese drink, it's been quietly helping generations heal from the inside out, without needing supplements or surgery. So what is it? Warm barley tea, known in Japan as mujicha. It's made by steeping roasted barley kernels in water, like a herbal tea. No caffeine, no sugar, just gut-calming nutrients. Here's what it does. 1. Reduces gut inflammation. Barley is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that soothe the intestinal lining, helping reduce irritation and micro-tears. 2. Supports the gut-brain connection. Studies show compounds in barley improve serotonin regulation. That means better digestion and better mood. 3. Gentle detox support. Mujica promotes better liver and kidney function, which reduces toxic load on the gut. 4. Alkalizes your body first thing in the morning. Unlike coffee, this tea helps rebalance your pH, making your gut less prone to acid damage. 5. Safe for sensitive stomachs. If bone broth feels too heavy or probiotic pills cause gas, this is a light but powerful option, especially on an empty stomach. When I replaced my morning coffee with this, my bloating disappeared. I felt lighter, my cravings went down, and my skin even cleared up. Sometimes the answers aren't new, they're just forgotten. This tiny tea ritual has been part of Japanese mornings for centuries. Maybe it's time we bring it back. If you've ever struggled with gut issues, try this for a week and let your body speak for itself. Like this video if you're curious to try it. Comment gut tea if you're switching your morning drink tomorrow. And subscribe for more natural, science-backed rituals that actually work. Your gut isn't broken. It just needs a little love, Japanese style.